Right now, as you can see friends, in this video I'm going to do the exactly bootcamp drop test in the Mi Pad 5 device. So right now, as you can see friends, this is a Mi Pad 5 which I'm trying to use exactly in this video for the demonstration purpose. And I'm getting so many comments as well asking me to upload a video on this exact bootcamp drop test. So let's see how is FPS going to maintain while doing this bootcamp drop test right now. We'll try to observe. Let me know in the comment section below friends what are other videos you want me to upload on this bootcamp, and you can see the real-time FPS meter. It's showing about 59 FPS exactly in the bootcamp, 59 and 60. The lowest value I did see about 54, somewhere around that. Let's check out what's happening once after you drop. You can see friends, overall FPS is maintaining about 50 and 60 FPS right now. So because of this quad speaker setup, I can definitely hear the very good volume as well, recording the footsteps. Right now, as you can see friends, all of the FPS did drop, nothing much. Let's do the next time of bootcamp drop test again. Let's see how is this time how the phone gonna maintain. This is the second time of doing the FPS drop test exactly in the bootcamp. Let's see how is the FPS gonna maintain right now. Right now we are getting about 58 and 60 value, 59, 50, 44 FPS. Did drop up to 44. You can see the FPS as well meanwhile. The lowest value which we did see about 44 FPS while performing this kind of testing. Right now, as you can see from the FPS, how it's kind of maintaining exactly right now, 61. So we'll try to do the one more time of FPS drop test as well. So overall the FPS seems to be kind of pretty good and stable, not bad. So I did see the lowest of 44. So let me be back after some time. Let's see how much FPS will be maintaining after some time. It's the final time of doing the FPS drop test as well in this Mi Pad 5, exactly in the bootcamp. Let's see friends, how is the final drop test gonna be there, or how much low value we can actually see regarding the FPS count. So just only drop test I'm trying to do. Later on I'll definitely do the gameplay test as well. So friends, it feels like very smooth playing in this tablet, I can definitely say that. As you can see, the FPS, how it's kind of maintaining exactly right now. 60 FPS, 57, and meanwhile, this is a quick gameplay test trends on this Mi Pad 5. Overall, it was able to maintain like pretty good stable FPS. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. I'll instead of more updates, the quick testing on this one, on the Mi Pad 5 regarding the FPS drop test overall. So in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below friends, and meanwhile signing off until instead of more updates, and bye. Until then, signing off friends, until then, bye.